Okay, well, a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. It's Nick here. Wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're in good, fine form. Previous video, I said that we were watching a trade around here. This is around New York lunchtime, and um, I put a pending trade in, and if it triggers, it would trigger at this price of 113.54 for euro dollar, and for a bearish, for a short. And whilst I was watching it last night, well, last night my time, but New York sort of early morning, well, late morning in New York, I was watching it from here, and then indeed it didn't go up to the green line. In fact, it retraced and came down here, and then later, and I sort of went to bed here because I'm in the Orient, in the Far East. It just kept on going down here. So we missed the trade, or I missed the trade last night because I should have been in here, but hindsight doesn't pay money. Remember, hindsight does not pay money. This is where you're going to make your money, if you're going to make any money. However, this has gone back up. The euro has strengthened during the last part of the New York session, and indeed now Asia is beginning to trade. So I said in the last video that this might even trigger today during the London session, European Open or London Open. So I'm just going to leave this trade on, and it's not that far away. I mean, we're at 30 now, and if we go down to the 5-minute chart, it's looking like this. So yeah, we're at 30, and 54 is what we want. So it only has to go another 54, another 24 pips, excuse me. It's a bit early in the morning, I'm not fully awake here. It has to go another 24 pips and it would trigger. And I'm looking for a profit of 25 pips off of each position. And I've left a fairly wide stop to let this trade breathe, and I hope it basically goes up to this level and then pulls back during the London session, and I expect that to take maybe about 4 hours, 4 or 5, maybe even 6 hours, who knows. But if we come out with 25 pips on each move, and I've got 2 positions in there, then that would be a very beautiful trade. So the moral of the story is be patient, be disciplined, because this, okay, we missed it, but this is the actual price I would buy it at, or rather, excuse me, I would sell the position at. I would sell the euro dollar at 113.54. I've picked a very specific number there, okay? And my exit strategy is at 13.29, so I've picked very specific targets, and I will go into that a little bit more in a trading room session because I don't have time to do it on a video. Okay, so as I say, just to conclude and to reiterate that being patient is key. You don't have to watch it all the time, but there's a pending trade in. It has not triggered, but it might during the European London Open, and I'll keep you updated. So I hope this is useful. Let me know what you think, if it's helping you at all. And I am trading in the weekly direction and in the direction of the central banks and indeed most of the major banks who are trading currency. So from me, Nick, all the best, take care, and I'll speak to you real soon. Thanks for listening.